Hello everyone, welcome to Tech. Today we are going to be talking about strings. What is a string? A string is a group of characters. A string is a group of characters. When you write your name, you give your name Tech, that's a string because it's grouped with characters. So a string is just a group of characters. And for us to use strings in C, it's quite a little bit skeptical because we only know character, we only declare characters. But here I'm going to teach you how to declare strings and enable the user to enter their name, and the name is going to be read out by the compiler. So let's go. For you to declare a string, so you need to declare it as character because it's a group of character. We declare clar. So you are going to say, let's give it as str as a string, and then we set the limit. It should be 100. That means you can write instantly 100. You can write 100, and that is your string declaration. So now let's ask the user to enter their name. Please, let's go to printf. Say please enter your name. Go to next line. Okay, enter your name. So now for us to collect the value the user is going to enter, since we are dealing with strings, we are going to say scanf. We want to collect all the values, so we are going to say percent 99s. Yeah, we are going to say percent 99s. This is what we are going to use to collect the strings. So we take percent 99s. Where are you storing it? We are storing it in str. This string, you declare character and you give the name as str as a string, and you give the limit. It should be 100 characters. That's the limit, 100 characters. There is a limit here. So you are collecting the name the user is going to enter, and you are going to store it where? We are going to store it in str. Hope you understand. So this is it. Now we want to print out the name. We say printf, 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 hello. Let's take for example, if it was a man, we say hello Mr. Says to print out a string, we use %s. So let's go %s. That's how to print out a string. Hello Mr. %s. So if you want in such a way that when the user is going to enter the first name, it's going to print out the first name and the second name stay in the same string. So it's still possible. So let's go. This is it. And what is going to print is going to print str. So that is it. This is a simple shortcut of how to ask the user to enter their name, and the name is going to be printed out. So let's do it. Let's build it and run it and see. Build and run. Okay, please enter your name. Let me just enter Tech. Tech. Enter international, for example. So this is it. This is it. They say, hello, Mr. Taltech. Can you understand me? This is it. Hello, Mr. Taltech. Your name has been printed back here. So it's possible. So if you want the international, that's the second part of the code, to also come out, when you are going to send the greetings, it's still possible and simple. Just come here and write %s at another %s. This another %s shows that immediately the person is going to use the space key bar. It is going to the second name too is going to appear. But it's the same thing because all of them, they are stored in str because we get the limit to 100. So we should build it and run, and we repeat again. Tech international, and that this is it. Hello Mr. Taltech International. You understand? So it depends. So that's how you collect the value of a string and you print out a string in C. Thank you so much for watching. Please do to like, share, and subscribe.